go back to Noel as he is going to give us an update regarding the Dungao or Lamirata. Noel, good evening.
Princess, after the Dungao riots, a heap of garbage was left behind the devotees of Jesus Nazarene at Plaza del Carmen. The street sweepers of Manila City Hall immediately sweep the area to clear the debris. However, prior to this, a number of devotees increased leading up to the Dungao riots. Several devotees required medical attention. Some had fainted and others were overcome by the crowd. Fainted devotees were lifted by fellow devotees and moved away from the densely packed area to receive first aid. The first floor of the barangay hall of Barangay 391 transformed into an emergency room as it served as the first aid station. Furthermore, when Jesus Nazarene carriage arrived at the Plaza del Carmen, it faced difficulty getting close to the balcony of the minor basilica and parish of San Sebastian Shrine of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. This was due to the devotees who were eager to get close to the carriage. Some even tried to climb onto the carriage in an attempt to touch the cross of the Nazarene. The Dungao ceremony lasted only a few minutes, but it took almost an hour before the carriage could leave Plaza del Carmen due to the overwhelming crowd of devotees. Dungao is a centuries-old Marian tradition where the revered image of Nuestra Señora del Carmen de San Sebastian is brought to the basilica's balcony to meet Jesus Nazareno as it passes Plaza del Carmen. Princess?
Many thanks, Noel Talakay.